Kindergarten friends, today is Wednesday and this is science. Yay, we're doing science. So in science this week, we will be learning about parts of a plant. So that's what we're going to be looking at. We're going to be looking at parts of a plant. How exciting. All right, let's go to our LO. So again, like I told you, today I will be able to identify parts of a plant. So you're going to be able to tell me what these parts of a plant are called. Okay, so did you know that plants have families too? You know how you have your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, the people that you live with, your family? So plants have families too. They have brothers and sisters and moms and dad, and well, mom and dad. And so plants have green leaves, they have stems, roots, and flowers. And if you look at this anchor chart right here, and let me present this so you can see it a little bit better. All right, so if you look at this anchor chart right here, you see my little flower that I drew. It's kind of cute. And then you see that this is the flower. This is the stem. This part right here is called a stem. Then we have the leaves, and we know what the leaves are. And then under in the dirt, there's roots. They're branches. They branch out like this. They're roots. So those go under the dirt, and those are parts of a plant. So let's learn some more. Are you ready? All right. So leaves. All plants have leaves that are used to collect sunlight. So all of the plants that you see are going to have leaves, and these leaves collect sunlight. They like to be out in the sun. We also talked about the stem. This is called a stem. All plants have stems that help the plants grow long and tall. We learned that in math. Food and water come up from the roots and into the stem. So the plants get food and water from their roots from the bottom, and they come all the way up, and they come up the stem. So that's something really cool to learn about. And then we learned about the roots. These are roots, and they look like little baby branches all over inside the dirt, right? So these roots, all plants have roots that grow deep into the soil. Roots bring food and water into the plant. So the plants get food and water from these roots, and they go all the way back up the stem and to the plant, to the leaves and to the flower. So that's really, really cool. All right, so flowers. Many plants have flowers. Flowers are usually bright colored in order to attract other living things to them. Can you think of a living thing that gets attracted to the flowers? It goes like this. Bzzz. Yes, that's right. A bee. Bees love to go and look at the flowers. They get certain things from these flowers, and other living things do too. All right, so fruits and vegetables. Many plants grow fruits and vegetables such as zucchini, tomatoes, strawberries, and blueberries. Yum. So many plants, grow fruits and vegetables, and those are things that we eat. We love fruits and vegetables. All right, my friends. So, for today, this is your work. You are going to draw a plant just like Miss Martinez drew her little plant right here. And you are going to label the parts of a plant that we learned. So for example, you have the flower. So I would draw a flower, and then I would write the word flower and put an arrow to point to the flower. Then I would draw the stem. Remember, the stem is the one that goes down, 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 down into the dirt. So this is the stem. So I would draw the stem and then do an arrow and write the word stem, because this is the stem of the flower. Then I would draw some leaves, some pretty little leaves, and I'm going to put an arrow and put the word leaves, because these are the leaves of the plant. Then next, I can draw a line, and then I'm going to put little branches. Remember, I told you they look like little branches. You're just going to put little lines out, and those are called roots. So I'm going to put an arrow and then write the word roots. And that is all you are doing today. You're just going to say the parts or label, I'm sorry, the parts of your plant. And you are going to turn that in to Class Dojo under Science Parts of a Plant. And that is all for today, my friends. Thank you. See you next time.